Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, you guys. So today, guys, I'm cooking okra soup and vegetables, you guys. So this is how I did it. Here, I'm cleaning my okras that I'm going to use. So I'm going to slice all this okra, you guys. I'm going to slice them. Then before I will bring in the spinach, which is the vegetables that I'm going to be using for this soup, you guys. So this is how I did it. This is how I sliced my okra. You guys know that you can slice your okra in different sizes, right? So this is the size that I want, you guys. So I'm going to slice all this okra. Then before I will bring in the spinach, you guys. Yeah, this is how I did it. So the thing is that I sliced this okra into different sizes, as you guys can see. Okay, I sliced the round one. That you can see, you guys, this is the sizes that I sliced the okra. And yeah, you guys know that you always need to remove that strong part from the okra, you guys. As you can see, I make sure that I remove the strong part from it then before I slice it, you guys. Yeah, this is how I did it, you all. Yeah, this soup is so easy to make, you guys. Very easy to make, and you guys know that there are different ways, different methods, different pattern of making your okra soup. Okay, there are different ways, you guys. So this one is one of it. So I said, let me show you guys. I don't think if I have other okra soup recipe on this YouTube channel. Yeah, it's like I have one, but that one is the one that I missed, the okra soup with ogbono, you guys. You can also prepare your okra soup with ogbono, mix it together. That one is also other way, other pattern of making your okra soup, you guys. So this one that I'm doing today is with spinach, okay? I'm going to mix it up with spinach, which is vegetable okra soup. This is what I'm doing here, you guys. So these are the strong part of it that I cut off, okay, you guys. So I did not show you guys from the beginning how I clean the okra. So I clean the okra with some baking powder, you guys. Okay, I said baking powder, sorry, baking soda. Yeah, I use baking soda in cleaning that okra. Same thing I did with spinach, okay, in case if there is any germs in it. You guys know. You can also clean it with salt. You can also clean it just like that without adding other thing to it. Okay, you guys. The most important thing is that you clean it with water. Here is the fresh vegetable leaf that I'm going to be using. Yep, you guys. This one is vegetable. You can also mix your okra with ugu leaf, which is pumpkin leaf. Okay, so you can mix your okra with different type of vegetable that you decide to use. But here, I'm using spinach, you guys. I'm using spinach to mix it up. Yep, you guys. This is what I'm doing here. Yep, you guys. So yeah, the vegetables. So I've sliced the spinach, you guys. I use a lot of spinach on this soup, you guys. So here it is. I'm just showing you guys. Yep, you guys. Here's the spinach, the okra, well sliced the way I want it, you guys. So yeah. So yeah, I also have my stockfish. I have my stockfish, which is the head of a stockfish, you guys. So we call this okporoko in our local language. We call it okporoko. We call it stockfish. Yep, you guys. So yeah, it is. So I boiled some hot water. Make sure that the water is very hot. I pour it on it, as you guys can see, to soften it and to also remove in case there's any germs in it. That hot water will make sure that hot water will remove it, you guys. So that's what I did. So here I have the protein that I'm going to use, you guys. In here I have some beef, some shaki. So I just feel protein on this soup, you guys. So yeah, I have shaki, beef. You can see the beef also have some bones in it. That bone part of beef is the one that I use, which is very good and delicious, you guys. So yeah, I have my seasoning cube, as you guys know. Yeah, that is a jumbo seasoning cube, the chicken flavor. Then the other one, which is also beef flavor, you guys. So yeah, There I have it. Then I'll put that to the stove, So now we have to clean up the stockfish head, which I pour hot water on it at the beginning, you guys. Yep. So it has softened for me to clean a room. I make sure that I clean it very well, you guys. And I remove the parts that I don't need in it. I also remove those parts. Then here, I will clean this stockfish. I'll make sure that I clean it very well. As you guys can see, before I will add it to the cooking pot, you guys. Yeah, this is what I'll do here. I'll make sure that I clean it very well and also remove those parts that I know that I don't need in it, you guys. Yep, you guys, that is what I'm doing here. Yep, yep, you guys. So, okra soup is one of the most easy soup to cook, you guys. It's one of the most easy soup to cook. And if you have children, I know your children will also like it. Children love okra soup. Mostly children that love swallow, you guys, like mine. My daughter loves swallow. And when I want her to really enjoy the swallow, it's either I make okra soup or ogbono soup, because those soup are very slimy and it is very easy for them to use it for swallow, you guys. So yeah, okra soup is a very easy recipe. Yep, you guys, that is what I'm doing here. I'll make sure that it is very clean. So I've added it to my pot, which I have other protein already in it. You guys know that stockfish is hormone strong, so it is a very good idea for you to cook it together with your protein so that it will be more soft. Okay. Yep, you guys, there I have the protein in the stove. Yep, it is cooking already. So in here I add my blended dry chili dry pepper, you guys. Okay, this dry pepper that I just add in it. Okay, I blend some dry pepper and then I add it into the cooking pot so that everything will just cook together. Okay, you guys. So after stirring it for some time, I will cover it up to cook. Yep, you guys. That is what I'm doing right here, my wonderful subscribers. You guys, thank you for your support as always. Thank you for always being here, watching my videos, sharing, liking, all those beautiful stuff, you guys. I don't take you guys for granted. Thank you for always being here. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do me a favor by subscribing. Subscribe, for more fun video like this, cooking videos, lifestyle videos. Yep, you guys, thank you all. So, guys, because this soup that I'm going to cook is not that much, I will be using just one Titus fish, which is mackerel fish, you guys. I'll be using just one, as you guys can see. So I'm going to cut that up to the sizes that I want it to be, you guys. Guys, I've always told you guys on my video that I don't throw off head of fish. I do not throw up my head of fish, you guys, because I like head of fish because of the bone in it. That is why I don't throw it off. Okay, you guys. I always cook with head of fish because I like it. Okay, just because of the bone in it. Just as I said, that is why I don't throw away with the head of fish. Okay. So for those of you that will be asking, so she used head of fish to cook. Yes, I do, because that is the part that I like most on fish. Okay, you guys. So that's why I don't throw it off. Yeah, guys, I've made sure that I clean the fish very well, remove all the things that I don't need in it. So I've made sure that I clean it very well. So after that, I'm going to clean the chopping board. I'm going to wash it very well with soap because, smell of fish is a very good idea that after using your chopping board for your fish, it is a good idea to clean it very well so that the smell in it will go, okay? Yep, you guys have to keep this place clean. Yeah, I'll make sure that this place is very clean. I'm that type that when I wash my sink, I'll make sure that I dry it off. I don't like water to be in my sink. I don't like, sometimes when you wash your plate or cup, then you will see water all over it. No, I don't like it like that. I make sure that I clean it with rag. As you guys can see, this is how I always leave my sink whenever I wash my plate. Yeah, you guys. So let me go and check the meat how it is going. Yeah, you guys can see that it is going very well. So here, you all know that fish is always the last one to add, right? Because fish don't take long time to cook. So I always add fish at the last part, okay? Yep, as you guys can see, so I just add a little more water for it to cook, you guys. For the fish to cook, okay? Yep, like so. I will cook this fish for some minutes, then I will remove it again, okay? Yeah, I add more water for so that the fish will cook very well. Okay, you guys. So I'll cover that up. I'll cover it up for the fish to cook. Yeah, guys. This is how after like 5 minutes later. Okay, so I remove the fish. Why did I remove the fish? Because I don't want the fish to break. Okay, if you don't want your fish to break, it is good for you to remove it like this. Then later you can also place it back later. Okay, when you are done stirring the soup, when you are done stirring it, then you can put back the fish. If not, if you leave it like that, your fish will break, which I don't really like. So this is how I do it all the time I'm cooking. I will remove the fish whenever I know that I want to stir the soup very well. I will remove the fish. Yep, you guys. So here in this pot I have oil, then I'm frying the onions that I'm going to use. So you guys, onions also give your okra soup a very nice aroma, okay? Very delicious aroma is what onions give to your okra soup. But this onions is also optional, okay? It's optional. If you do not want to add onions to your to your okra soup, it is okay. It is also okay, you guys. So here I add these onions to it. I will fry these onions to the way I want it to be before I will bring in the okra. I'm also going to fry the okra. Okay, that fry will also make your okra to have that slimy you know the frying that you will fry your okra will also make it to be more slimy, you guys. Okay, so that is what I'm doing here. I'm going to fry these onions, then later I will bring in the okra, okay? Guys, this is also different way of cooking okra soup. Just the way I said before, okra soup have different ways, different pattern, different method of cooking it, okay? So there are different ways to cook your okra soup, you guys. This one is also one, okay? So this is the pattern that I'm using today, okay, you guys? So I will fry this okra and onions together. All right. Yep, you guys. This is what I'm doing here. Okay. Mm. So you fry and fry and fry. Fry it to the taste that you want it to be, to how you want it to be. Okay, you guys. Uh-huh. This soup was so yummy, guys. It was so delicious. It was so good. Okay, you guys. So this is how I cook my own okra soup. This way is also optional. You can decide to cook your own. It's also in different method. Okay, you can also decide to cook your own soup, your okra soup, in the way you want it to cook it. But this is the way I choose today. Which I also have. I have other recipe of okra soup. Just that one was the one that I cook with Miss is the one that I cook with ogbono soup, you guys. So I mixed the okra up with ogbono. So that one is different recipe, okay? Why this one is also different one. Okay, you guys. You can see how slimy it is, right? It is so slimy, you guys. So what I will do after frying this for some time, I'm going to add it up to the other pot where I have the protein and fish. Okay, I'm going to add it later to the other pot. Okay. Help you guys. So yes, my the other pot where I have all the proteins. So here I'm going to add the okra and vegetable into it. Okay. Just as I said, this one is other method. Okay, it's just different. It's different method of how of one of many method that okra have that everybody used to cook okra. This one is different method. Okay. So after adding it into this pot, the soup will not stay long time before I remove it because after frying the okra and the vegetable, it did not need long time to cook again because you know. Yep, you guys. So thank you guys for always being here. Please do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Okay, guys. So tell me what you think on the comment section. If I tried. Yep, you guys. So this soup was so good. It was so delicious. Now I'll bring back the fish because at this time I'm not going to be stirring the soup that much. Okay, I'm not going to be stirring it that much anymore. Okay, because I don't want this fish to break. That is why I remove it for the first time. So thank you guys for watching. Bye. Mwah!